What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Before we get into the video, there's something that needs to be addressed. So there are a select few people that, come on my videos or whatnot since I started this whole retail arbitrage stuff, and they get to talking nonsense, try to leave that negative feedback, that hater talk. So before you even go down to the comment section, look here. If I wanted to hear any negativity, I'd ask what your fucking bank account balance is right now. And guys, I have been making an absolute killing today. I wasn't even planning on making a video, but I was like, I'm just doing so good I had to tell you guys or whatnot. Also, what I've been selling and stuff like that. So right now, Walmart has these TVs that are on sale for $66, guys. Go buy them up and then put them up on OfferUp. You can send them into Amazon, FBA, but I mean, me personally, I didn't really want to take the chance of it getting broken, and then all the extra packaging and all that stuff. I was just like, yes, I wasn't really willing to take that chance or whatnot, and someone dropping it or whatever the case may be. Because if they drop the TV and then it gets sent to your customer, you're just gonna get a negative feedback, and I was like, it's just not really worth it, right? So basically, I've been buying them up from the Walmarts here, and then literally putting them up on OfferUp, and then just literally taking them basically from Walmart to the customer's house for them. Hey, and then you can add a tack on an extra delivery fee if you want to, whatever. Me personally, I already had the stuff in the car. I'd rather have rather go directly to their house, drop it off, then take it home, unpack it out the car, then put it back in the car, then take it to their house. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather just basically deliver it from Walmart to their house, right? So they're going for $66. I personally been putting them up for $150, and then, people will shoot you with, hey, how come I got $130 right now, or something like that. Whenever, people hit me with something like that, basically what I'll say is, well, I got someone, and then I'll say $10 higher, right? So I'm like, oh, okay. Well, I got someone coming for, said they're coming for $140 or whatnot. But if you can come right now, or if I can bring it to you right now, or I'll give it to you for whatever price that they said or whatnot, so I know I got a guaranteed sale. Basically, that's what I would say. Like, yeah, man, bring it on right now. Boom. All right, so sale. So I bought 3 of them at one Walmart, and then in the last couple hours I sold 2 of them. I still got 1 in the trunk. I'm gonna go and see if I can find some more. The only downfall is that I've only been able to find, literally just those 3. All the other ones are about $80 or so. So I'm like, they're $88, and that's not a huge profit margin, but I mean, it's still profit in there. If I can't find any others cheaper, then I'll probably just have to cuff off that extra $20 or whatever. But I don't know how much they are near you. You got to just go check and look. Then I have bought these little, well, I don't really want to say what it is because there's literally no FBA sellers on there at all right now. So I'll probably be one of the first people to get in on it. So they're going for about $5, and they're literally $17 in profit. Well, after cost or whatever, they're $12 in profit, right? And I was able to pick up quite a few of them. I even had them going to the back and all that stuff. So this is the Walmart I actually got all that stuff from. So we made about a good $400, $500 or whatnot, and straight profit in there. So that was super sweet. And then the stuff is super skinny or whatever. So I mean, literally you can just dump it in the box. Everything should be able to fit in the box that I got today, and it's going to be literally hundreds of dollars in profit. The second Walmart I went to was a complete dud. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I didn't grab anything in there. Basically drove out there for nothing. But this one here and the first Walmart was fantastic. Ooh, like I said, guys, before, it was not a good couple of days. Normally when I would walk in, I go to Walmart, I fill up the whole car, or something. I've been just absolutely crushing it, and then just crushing it. But now it's just I mean, the last 2 days it was I had to real life put in some fucking work. I had to go to I think I went to 6 different Walmarts yesterday, or 7 different Walmarts or something like that. Then the day before that I went to 6 different Walmarts, and then I was barely hitting a couple $100 when I had to actually put in work. Today I go to 3 Walmarts and we're already up a couple $100 or whatnot. And if you include the Dollar Tree, we actually made a nice killing in there. We spent about $30, and I think it was think it was like 200 something profit or something. I don't know, but basically it was a lot of money or whatnot for spending $30. So absolutely love the Dollar Tree, guys. If you aren't going to the Dollar Tree, guys, definitely make sure you check it out. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. If I might throw some extra footage here at the end or whatnot. I'm probably about to go hit another few Walmarts. I don't know what's in this area or whatnot, but if I don't, thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe, all that fun stuff. And if you got any questions, simply put them down below. Guys, do not sleep on those TVs. They are literally going for $66 right now or $88 depending on your area. Like, just go and get them and then literally take them, take a picture of them, put them right on. Offer up, 150 brand new, will deliver. Cash. What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and it is the next day now. So we had a fantastic day yesterday, guys. It just kept getting better and better and better. We ended up making over $1,500 in profit. A lot of it came from the TVs or whatnot, and those little things I was telling you about or whatever, that I was buying for $5, and they were like $12 in profit. There were no FBA sellers on there or whatnot. So I sent out a package of those today, and basically I'm just going to keep going to go buy them up. The sales are looking great on it. Everything's looking great on that product there, and I haven't seen any of them, where they've been like super cheap like that. Like, I haven't found any other ones where they're there except for 2 Walmarts that I went to, but this site right here, guys, is something you're definitely going to want to start using. It's called brickseat.com, and basically what you do is you just put in your zip code, and if you're looking for a certain product or whatever, you can come up here. It'll you can start looking for it. So let's just give you guys an example here, right? So let's say we're looking for this game, right? We're just going to click check inventory. Then we're going to click check inventory again. Right, and then you're just going to scroll down, and you see right here, boom, $7, right? I think that's what the price we was looking for. I don't remember what the price was that it said on the front page or whatever. But you see right here is 14. The top ones right there is 14, 7. So let's say we let's just scan this real quick. I mean, I have no idea what this is. Literally, I just brought this up like it was just happened to be on the screen, so it was a random click or whatnot. So let's just scan that real quick. See if there's anything for it. So the rank is good. It's ranked 7,500, but the profit literally is only 54 cents, and there's 23 FBA sellers on it. Yeah, I don't know how people can sell that for so low. Like, that's just crazy. There's like legit people selling it for 59 cents in profit, basically, right? Because your FBA fees, you see right here, the FBA fees. Well, you guys probably can't see that, but basically the FBA fees are $5.05, and there are people selling it for $5.59. Like, holy fuck, that's fucking crazy. But I mean, like, you got people like that will literally like make pennies for no reason. Like, guys, there is no point in spending $5 to make 30 cents. That is fucking stupid. It's just dumb, guys. No offense to anybody, but if you're spending $5 to make 30 cents, that is fucking stupid. Like, it just makes no sense to do that. But let's say this was profitable, right? This was the price we were looking. This is everything we were looking for. All we would have to do is just call up over here. I always recommend calling if you're looking for just one product. Like, if you're going to go and you're going to do retail arbitrage anyway, I mean, by all means, like, go in blind. That's what I do 99% of the time. I literally just walk into a store and see if I can find something, But if you're looking for just that one product and you're not looking for anything else, like you're looking to spend every dime you got on just that one product, then I highly recommend calling, because you're going to save a lot of time. And you can't go buy this, 100% of the time either, because, Brickseat could be right, but they're just like reporting what Walmart says. But if Walmart like literally doesn't update their shit, then it's like, cause I mean, it's vice versa. I mean, like, Brickseat could be wrong, or Walmart could be wrong, or you go and you call on the phone and be like, hey, blah, 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 do you guys still have this for sale or whatever? They could say yes. You get there, they don't have it. Then, they can say no on the phone, and then you like legit go there and it's right there. I've had that happen quite a few times when they're like, oh no, I don't have it or whatever. And I'm like, oh, okay. So I'll just go there anyway, because I'm like, was going to go there anyway today. And like literally it'll be right there on the goddamn clearance section or in the back or whatever. So you're going to have some people who like literally just say, oh no, we don't have it. Like they don't even look, don't type anything in or whatever the case. But no, oh no, we don't have it. All right, thank you. Have a wonderful day. You know, like, because I mean, you're gonna have some people like that, guys. You know, like they just don't take this shit seriously. Like, you know, I mean, you're getting paid at your job. At least do it right or whatever. But I mean, it is what it is. You know, I don't really like to judge people because I don't know what's going on in their life or whatnot. But yeah, you just go through and call these up and see where. You know, see where it's at. You know, let's say this right here, you want the $7 one. You call them up like, hey, do you guys still have this game in stock? If so, I'd like to come buy them all. You know, or whatever the case may be, right? Just basically ask them if they still got them, and then, you know, you just go from there. So that's basically what I did when it came to the TVs, you know, and I just kept calling them up and see if, you know, if they had them for $66, you know, because everywhere I went, there were like TVs there. Well, not everywhere, you know, I said like probably like 2 out of like 5 Walmarts had them or whatever for the sale. But everywhere else, they were like regular price, which they normal price is like, I think it's 108 or 110 or something like that, you know. So with delivery and all that stuff, guys, you can definitely charge for 150 or whatnot over on OfferUp. You know, you can let them open it up, you know, let them plug it up, you know, the whole 9 yards. You can even take it home if you want to make sure that it works. But I mean, it's Walmart. For the most part, they aren't going to sell broken shit. At least like TVs and stuff like that. You know, it could happen by all means, but I mean, like, odds are of it happening is not likely, especially if it's brand new, taped up. It's not like something that, like, you can see the box was all ripped up and they got like a little piece of paper on there saying no controllers included and stuff like that. Then you're gonna have to sell it as used or whatever, but you can still probably sell it for that 150, you know. But that is pretty much it, guys. Just want to let you guys know the little experience and stuff like that happened. Like I said, super sweet day. Like, I really can't complain. That was like one of the best days, guys. Buy them up, especially if you see those TVs, guys. Buy them up, you know, and then just put them up on OfferUp. Again, you can put them on, you know, Amazon FBA, but you're gonna make a lot more money if you do it yourself. And literally, you're gonna be able to charge more, you know. And if you got some other stuff on OfferUp, you can even try to upsell them, like all type of crazy stuff, you know. But again, that's pretty much it. If you got any questions, you know, simply drop them down below. If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, you know, and all that fun stuff. And don't sleep on those TVs, guys.